Hi, today's star shave of the day is the Henson Mild razor. Hi, my name is Jason, and you can find me at Instagram as the Golden Age Wet Shaver. Today, I'm doing the Razor Company Shave in Chat, and today, the star shave of the day is the Henson Mild razor. You can find it at the Razor Company at therazorcompany.com. They have the mild version, they have the medium, and they also have the aggressive. But today, we're using the mild. Also on the mild, I'm using a Gillette 7 o'clock black blade. The software, the soap, is Stirling's Benjamin Franklin with the matching splash and the Balm. Like I always say, you know me, I'm a little OCD, like, I gotta go with soap, splash, or Balm, or gel, whatever. I gotta go 1, 2, 3. Very, very, like, I'm trying to look for the right word. During the shave, I'll think of it. Oh man, I really needed to shave. And sometimes you can't get your shave in at the morning, like, when you wake up before you go to work or do tasks or do something. Sometimes life happens and you gotta postpone your shave until night. And this is a nighttime shave. So, put down on the comments, do you just shave in the morning? Do you skip the shave if you can't shave in the morning? Or do you sometimes you just need that shave. Not only because you need it for appearance, but I look at shaving as a tool for self-esteem, a mental health tool. Oh man, you can't go wrong with Stirling. Very good price. You get a good amount, and the quality is very good. Oh man, already look at that. Look, I always do this. The protection, that thin layer between hair, skin, and face. Oh man. Oh, I forgot. The brush I'm using is a RazoRock Monster. Oh man, I really needed to shave. Sometimes life comes and happens and you gotta drop everything for yourself and do things for other people. But it happens when you need help and people do the same thing for you. It goes around, hopefully. Oh, I had 2 days growth and already it's mowing it down. For a mild razor, I mean, it's very efficient, in my personal opinion. Meaning that, it took down the hair right away. Like in most things in life, you gotta be consistent. Keep the same pattern, but not like consistent where you're rigid that you can't change. Be consistent, but be able to adapt. Oh man, I'm so happy. I'm gonna go with my second pass. Sorry if you heard it clinging or clanging like doom doom. My silly self hit a bar. The towel bar. Let me be more specific. I don't want people to say, oh no, Jason's hitting the bar while he's shaving. No. I shave safe. I practice safe shaving. My personal beliefs. That's why I don't talk when I'm under the neck or near my Adam's apple. I don't want to cut myself up. No. Because as time went on, I learned not only how to map my face for the hair, but also map my face on, okay, this is a time where you could talk, and this is a time where shut the mouth, be quiet. Yeah. No, we're talking. Beautiful. I said shut the mouth. I didn't say anything else. Oh man. This is a great razor for any beginner. or any level, but mainly not mainly, but like when I started out, I'm glad I found this razor. People told me, yeah, it's either a hit or miss, especially with the mild. You either find the angle, you don't find it, and that's so true. Oh, let me go for my third pass. Oof. I'm like mowing it down. Again, being clumsy. This is one of those shaves when you're a little clumsy. Yeah. Oh, man. Oh, I love the scent of Ben Franklin. It has like some people say like a sugar-free root beer scent. Yeah. Also earthy. Especially with the splash. I remember, yeah. I just love this soap. Oh. It's one of these soaps that you love or you don't love. You know what I mean? Very, like yes or no. No in between. From what I hear. And from the people, like, they either love it or like, not for me. Oh, man. Okay, I'm ready for that third pass. Remember, I don't talk when I shave my neck. I try to be consistent on it. Because I know my area. Not that much feedback because I basically got it within my first pass. Maybe during this, first pass and then really the second pass, but I'm very I gotta do 3 passes, okay? It could be a mild or aggressive razor. I gotta do 3 passes. That's me. Oh, man. I don't know about you, but that feedback sound I really love. That's like music to my ears. Like I always say, if they did an ASMR video on just feedback, like do different wet shavers or people shaving with different sounds and feedback and doing like an album, hey. Or a digital download, hey. Your guy's gonna get it. God. Oh, man. This is good. Oh, man, I really feel so much better after this shave. I look at a shave as not only just to have a nice clean cut and nice healthy skin, but there's something about a shave that puts a pep in my step. Like I had 2 or 3 shots of espresso. I feel good now. Okay, I'm ready to rinse. Oh, man. No sting, no zing, bada bing. Yeah. Oh, man. I feel so much happier now. Like from the start of this video until now, I don't know. This shave is like a great form of therapy. It's self-care. Also, it helps me focus. Oh, yeah. I just want to make sure I'm cleaning off the soap because it's very good residuals. The slickness, you could just throw a little water on it and let me go for the splash. Yeah, the splash, I'm going to tell you something. The splash is more earthy dirt, while the soap is more like herbs, like the root beer, the sassafras, the cloves. This is more the earth, and this is, it mixes well together. Like, that's a beautiful combination. And then the balm is like an in between both. And I remember, let me check. Yeah, it's in between both. It's like a perfect balance to finish it off. Wow, thank you so much for staying till the end of this video. If you have any comments and questions, please ask me. So let me just go over my lineup one more time. Okay? Alright. So the star, I leave the star for last. So the soap I used was Stirling's Benjamin Franklin with its splash and balm. I used a ceramic bowl. I don't know if I mentioned in the beginning, just some ceramic bowl that has ridges in it. A RazoRock monster brush, synthetic, and of course, where's the blade? Oh, the blade I used the Gillette 7 o'clock black. And of course, the star of the shave, where you can get at therazorcompany.com, is Henson Mild razor. They also have the medium and they also have the aggressive. So go to therazorcompany.com and find all your shaving needs. Also, Saturdays, 9 a.m. Eastern Time. If you want to see 4 great people talk about wet shaving, cracking jokes, and keeping it G for general audience, please go to the Instagram page to watch the lives at The Razor Company Lives at Instagram. You can watch the lives. And they also have another page. It's just The Razor Company. I'm telling you, I feel so much better after this shave. Again, thank you for staying with me. And, there's only one of you out there. So treat yourself right. Have a great night or a great day wherever you are. And thank you.